And now, our weekly message from the Nebraska College of Technical Agriculture in Curtis.
Hi, I'm Morel Jurado from Imperial. I'm a 2024 graduate of NCTA and very grateful to be awarded the Proteus Farmworker of the Year. I'm now working in a career I love, feeding cattle, and I couldn't have done it without Proteus and NCTA. Proteus helped me with a financial assistance to attend college. As a first-generation student, that support meant everything. They believed in me when I decided to pursue a degree in agribusiness management at NCTA. The college's hands-on programs and strong ag industry connections, along with being part of the University of Nebraska system, went above and beyond. We're very fortunate to have this 2-year program to develop our ag workforce right here in Southwest Nebraska. When I walked across that stage with an associate's degree, I was happy with my decision I made and look forward to the future I had always dreamed of. Today, on National Farm Worker Appreciation Day at the Proteus Award Luncheon, I gained a new appreciation for the part we play in our world, especially here in Nebraska, where agriculture is so important to our economy. I encourage students from all backgrounds to consider degrees in agriculture and related fields at NCTA.